All right, guys, so these Gapasea sunglasses are pretty sweet. So not only do they have the Bluetooth, you connect it right to your phone, you can hear your music or whatever you want on there. I like when you close these, they turn off. It gives you a sound notification. So it's very nice. Sometimes you have I have other glasses that it's hard to tell when they're on or not. So when you open these up, it gives you that little sound. I don't know if you guys heard that, I hope so. It gives you a little sound, some nice little music that plays. And what's cool about this is these are mainly meant for like cycling. You have groups up to like 12, I believe, where everyone needs to be able to talk to each other. Have you ever been like bicycle riding and maybe it's windy or you're wearing a helmet, the other guy's way in front of you, maybe you got a flat tire and you want to talk to them or let them know or whatever. This allows you to communicate over fairly large distances. I'm hoping that the weather's going to cooperate so I can go out and try these out to see just how far these do work. But I mean, they look cool. Nice bright orange things, put your helmet on, go riding. But just the ability to be able to talk to your fellow cyclists when you're riding is very cool. Check out that case this comes in too. It's got this charging case. It basically has the contact points right here. We have a USB-C plug here and just a very nice case here. So pretty much for these, if you just want to sync them up and you want the channel that you have, you just open them up and then you just twist this to the channel that you want it to. So right now I have this one set on the number 1, and actually I'm talking right now when it's coming back onto mine. So that's how fast it connected. As soon as I opened up, this dial right here is set to number 1, and also on this side it's set to number 1. What you can see also is on this side, we have this little dimple right here on the frame, and you can press that, you can double tap it, it skips the song, pauses the song, triple tap. It also has an AI feature. If you get the app, you hold it down, it opens up the AI thing so you can ask it questions or whatever. So very cool. These are very lightweight. I hooked it up to my phone so far. I was listening to like songs and stuff. The music, the speakers are really good. I really like it so far. So I just want to, it's been raining like crazy lately, but I want to just be able to take these outside, go riding with my son and just give them a real life test to see how well they do. But first initial thought on these guys, they're really cool, lightweight, comfortable. I'm not a big sunglasses guy. But I don't mind wearing these, especially if you're all riding. I got a couple e-bikes that can go a little fast. You need some protection for your eyes so they don't start watering with all the wind hitting them. So pretty cool glasses. They're comfortable. The hookup is right away. I mean, as soon as you open them up, and if you have them on the same channel, they all sync. Just these two perfectly. No issues with that. I tried it out with my wife across the room, just talking to each other. Normal. It was great. The audio is excellent so far. You on channel 1?
No.
Okay, so basically, I'm gonna check a distance. Maybe I'll be like here. You go up to that hill, and just the top of that hill there. Okay. And then see if you can still hear me. Don't go like over the horizon because I literally can't see you now. Oh, there you are. And stay in the. Okay. Well, I can't see you.
Hear me?
I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you fine. Can you hear me?
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I didn't hear you for a second. Are you still by the truck?
Well, come in distance. You're like literally out of view. I cannot see you at all. So you need to come around the.
I'm literally coming there right now.
Okay. Go in the other lane so you can see if traffic's coming. Is there any wind or any distortion or anything like that? All right, so I'm going to, I didn't hear like any wind problem at all, so it's pretty good. Yeah, just let me know when you're ready and I'll ride over there. Can you hear me now? Hello? Oh. Whoa. Just almost ate it. Where are they? So I guess these work pretty good. A lot better than like not, if you didn't have any glasses on at all, you couldn't like talk at all. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Alrighty. We can use these for hiking too. I'm gonna see how far away I can go here. See if this guy can still hear me. Can you hear me? All right, I can still hear him. So not only can you use these for riding your bikes, but also just on a walk or something. If someone's a little bit ahead of you, you can still maintain a conversation. So that's kind of cool. Hey, can you hear me? I can hear you. So we can still hear each other decently well from here, whether you're riding your bike or like your scooter or anything like that, or going on a walk. This seems to be able to extend your ability to talk to people a little bit better, so that's kind of cool. Let's see if that guy can still hear me. Can you hear me? Yeah. I'll go a little further here. Beautiful day today. All right, now can you hear me? Yeah. Let's switch to channel 2. So it's just the next channel and see how well it picks it up here. Oh, it gave me a little sound thing. Can you hear me? Oh, okay. Is that one any clearer or it's about the same? I think I'm picking you up a little bit better maybe on channel 2. Yeah, it's breaking up just a little bit. Oh, wow. Oh, a big wave there. All right, that's decent. So we're probably, how far away do you think we are right now? 100 feet? Are you joking? We're about a football field. Right? This isn't a football field? Are you kidding me? I don't know. I'm thinking we're like a football field away. Yeah, pretty easy. I mean, it looks like we're pretty far here. I can still hear you. Yeah, you think this is only a, like, I don't know. It's pretty. All right, I could hear you like perfectly, no distortion. How about you? Okay. I don't know. Whoa, what was that? Did you hear that? What was that? Are you No, it didn't sound like a rock. You think that was a wave hitting a rock? That was like an explosion or something. Whoa, that was crazy. All right, ready. So, pretty good, actually. The distance, being able to communicate, whether you're riding. So on the scooter, when I was going like 40, he could still hear me, but it was difficult for me to hear just because of the amount of wind that was like passing over the speakers and all that. So it was pretty noisy. But if I had like a full face helmet on, probably hear pretty good. But it does say up to like 30 miles an hour, and most people aren't riding their bikes like 30, 40, 50 miles an hour. So yeah, pretty cool. So seemed to work pretty good as far as like switching over the channels. If we get like over the hill, when you went over the hill, it was like breaking up a little bit. I guess that's kind of be expected.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I could hear him the whole time. He's going like 30 miles an hour.
Whoa, hey,
Dang.
hey, that guy's going like 30. Should get on the scooter and catch him. I don't know if I can catch that guy.
He's going like 80.